In this video, we are going to show how we can add trading partners in the system. Trading partners envelopes inquiry and create or edit functionality of those partners such as vendors, transporters and customers. Let us start with the vendor inquiry. Go to trading partners under masters and click on vendor inquiry. As we can see on the screen, there are several search parameters against which we can search a vendor. Search button here triggers the search against the entered search filters. The export button exports the search results from the grid to an Excel file. The reset button resets the entire screen including the selected search parameters and corresponding search results. We click on add new to create a new entry for the selected trading partner. All these are common across inquiry screens for all the trading partners, that is for vendors, transporters and customers. Now, let us look at vendor create or edit screen. Go to trading partners under masters and click on vendor create or edit option. Vendor is an important entity and is crucial for the inbound process. All the SKUs being inbounded in a warehouse are coming against some vendors registered in the system. Each vendor is linked to at least one client. A vendor can also be linked to multiple clients. This screen has four buttons. Add new to make a new entry. Save to save the changes. Deactivate to deactivate the selected vendor. And confirm to confirm all changes. Please note that once the changes have been confirmed, they cannot be changed. We can also see multiple tabs at the top of the screen. Vendor Master allows to create a new vendor. Multiple information can be saved against any vendor. Vendor product displays the SKUs associated with this particular vendor. Here, we have additional fields to capture any extra information related to this vendor. We can also attach documents associated or required for this vendor. Under terms and conditions, we can enter terms and conditions associated with this vendor. We can also link vendors to different locations where one vendor is working with multiple fulfillment centers. Let us now see how we can create a transporter. Go to Trading Partners under Masters and click on Transporter Create or Edit option. We have integrations with 40 plus transporters. All important details required for registering a transporter can be captured under Transporter Details. Here, we can capture any additional details if required through this screen. We can also attach any documents associated or required for a particular transporter. Lastly, we go to Trading Partners under Masters and click on Customer Create or Edit option to see how we can register the customers, especially in a B2B scenario. In a B2C scenario, we can pull the customer details via integrations with the channels where the orders are placed. We can capture all the important details required for registering a customer. Under this tab, we can register multiple addresses for the same customer. We also have the flexibility to capture additional details if required. With this, we conclude our video on various trading partners. Thank you.